Hi, friends. This is Jay Samar. I'm honored and humbled to be invited and accepted to be the co-MC for a set of high-level private grand events during the UNGA, the United Nations General Assembly high-level meetings in New York City the week of September 19th. And because of Secret Service and tight security, I cannot, publicize the venue and the organizer at this point. But the event is going to include literally dozens of first ladies from various countries, UN ambassadors, heads of delegations, top leaders from both the private and public sectors, CEOs, C-suite leaders, family office, celebrities, media, etc. So the events are going to include a banquet and also the official First Ladies Luncheon and a film series. And we're going to be honoring a couple of honorees that are pretty well-renowned. And I heard rumors that yours truly might also be recognized for my impact, global impact on education and mentorship. If you are interested to pick up a table or to attend or to support, and the requirements include that you are in support already with sincerity, part of the sustainability goals under the UN, feel free to contact me, okay? Oh, I didn't cough, yay, because I'm recovering from a dry cough. Looking forward to talking again soon. Take care.